Hey girl, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. I am NaTasha and today I'm going to be using these two products here. The Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse and the Curl Cream. It says these paired together are supposed to give you some bomb curls, so we shall see. I'm going to be using this first and then applying this on top of it. And this is how it comes out. Consistency is, it's nice thick curl cream. Smells, these companies and these loud smelling products, but this one smells good. It smells good if your nose can take it. These products will be going right on back to Sally's. This does not turn out right. Curl mousse, that's the mousse. Now I'm applying the mousse. I'm gonna need a little bit more mousse for this section because it's thicker. Yeah, you don't need a lot of water. I'll say if you use it, don't let your hair be soaking wet initially unless you gonna get on the dryer or something, because the mousse is very wet. Oh no, this hair gonna have to surprise me. These products gonna have to surprise me because initially on their own, not feeling it. I do like that the curl cream is nice and thick. I need to go to the salon and get my hair cut. I want to get me a diva cut. I have never had a diva cut before. And get some shape to my hair because my hair does not have any shape. It's just, it just do what it do. Okay, mousse, come on, do your magic. Let's see. I can see what you're working with when you dry. And I'm just doing the hand and smoothing. The praying hands. Praying, Lord Jesus, don't let this hair turn out a mess that I have to rinse it out, rewash my hair, and do it all over again. Ooh, if it could just dry like this, I'll be okay with that. I would. Dry where it's giving me some body and some length. So I'm going to go and do the other side and then I'll come back. Let you guys see the finished product application. Okay, so I'm back. This is the finished wet application. But initially applying the product, it was okay. It wasn't hard to get through my hair or anything. It went on fine. We shall see. I'll come back when it's dry. They smell so loud that my allergy has been bothering me and acting up. Why do they gotta make hair products so, like, so loud? My hair is not completely dry. I was kind of okay with the look, I think. You know, I can see it. I'm gonna have to go and wash it out. As soon as Deja get here, I'm gonna wash my hair out. I can't take this smell. It can give you some big fluffy hair on day one. Look at this body. Well, I just had it pinned back out of my face because the smell had me going crazy. I'm trying to reshape it and head it back like this to get it out of my face. And that didn't work. My husband was like, dang, what is that? Don't get me wrong, it smells good. It's a good smell if you can take it. I can't take it. My nose can't take it. Sorry. Brazilian cocktail, Mielle, curly cream, and mousse. You got to go. Make sure y'all can see the hair because that's what y'all are here for, the hair. Of course, not my personality or nothing like that, just my hair. Hopefully not just my hair though, because my hair is just my hair. Bye. Seriously though, I think I'm starting to get a headache. That's not cute. The other products that my kids line is so strong. I had to take that back too. Say it with me, fragrance free options, okay? Fragrance free with the same, you know, curl popping, dropping ability and moisturizing and all that good stuff. All the stuff that we be looking for as naturals. Give us that in a fragrance free option. Thanks for watching.